Welcome to Spices and Aromas. I am Rovina. Today we are diving into a traditional Manglorean delicacy, cashew steam cake. This dish is quite similar to steam cake we prepare with jackfruit or cucumber, but with the addition of cashews. Finding cashews can be quite difficult these days. Whenever you come across them, be sure to try this special dish. Let's quickly check for the ingredients that I am using to prepare this delicious dish. For preparing this, I have taken 1.5 cup of parboiled rice which I have previously soaked with 4 cardamoms for flavoring, 1 coconut, 13 cashews, 3/4 cup of jaggery or as per your taste, an extra half coconut for garnishing. I want to introduce you to a unique tool that I use in my kitchen to take out the coconut pieces from the shell. It's very useful. In case you want to buy this, you will find the link for buying in the description box. Please do like, follow and subscribe my channel for all the updates on my upcoming videos. Let's chop these coconut bits into small pieces. This dish is not only delicious but also brings a nostalgic touch to the traditional Manglorean cuisine. I would like to share an important tip with you. I always use more fruit while grinding. The proportion of fruit is more than the rice. The batter may become slightly watery and may take more time for steaming, but the dish will taste more flavorful and soft. Once I am done with chopping the cashews, I will put all the ingredients together in my mixer grinder and grind it to a smooth batter. I am just adding the rice and the cardamom. I will add the grated coconut, not the coconut that I have made into small pieces, that is for garnishing. Here I just added the cashews that I just chopped. If there is any juice left out, do not discard it, add it while grinding. Don't forget to add some salt to taste and also the jaggery. I am going to grind this in 2 batches since my ingredients are more in quantity. Batter is ready for steaming. Before steaming, I am adding the coconut pieces. You can also fry these pieces in ghee before adding for extra flavor, but I will be adding directly for a more traditional taste. I am just greasing this cake tin with some ghee so that it's easy to take out the steam cake. I will pour the batter that I had just kept ready. Remember to mix it well before you pour it into the cake tin so that the coconut pieces do not sit at the bottom. Alternatively, you can use teak leaves or even you can use banana leaves. Put some batter in the center of the leaf and fold the leaf as I am showing in the video. These leaves turn pink in color after steaming. My grandmom used to often prepare this and she used to tell us that this have lot of medicinal properties. Steaming vessel is ready. I just kept the cake tin in one and I am placing these leaves in the other. Steam the cake until a knife or a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This means our cake is ready. It will take about 30 to 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, you can off the flame and just rest for cooling it completely. I usually do it in the evening and let it cool overnight. This is the actual method of preparing this type of steam cakes. Just run your knife around the edges so that it's easy to unmold. Let's count down to 3, 2 and 1. And there you have it, a delicious and traditional Manglorean cashew steam cake. Just slice it into pieces. You can also fry them in ghee just before serving. I hope this video is useful to you and you will try this recipe soon in your homes. Write to me in comments about your views and suggestions about this dish. This is the perfect texture of the steam cake. It's soft and flavorful. Follow all my tips. I just want to repeat once again. Use more fruit. Be patient to wait till the cake is completely cooled, that is up to 8 hours. Thank you once again friends for joining me in kitchen today. I'll be back soon with my new recipes. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking.